And here's another sell and another buy. And I'll stop here with a sell trade because by now you should have a pretty good idea of how awesome this indicator is. Hi, I'm Brian, and I wanted to share with you a simple trade strategy that uses just one of our proprietary indicators. So what we're looking at right now is a basic 5-minute candle chart for the euro and the US dollar currency pair. The green candles, of course, means price is going up, and the red candles means price is going down. And the wonderful thing about trading forex currency is that money can be made from both buying and shorting the market. So I'll select just one of our proprietary indicators to add to the chart. These red and green lines display trade activity that typically have a major impact on the market. So when these lines are above this blue line, that means we're likely dealing with an overbought market, and I'd be on the lookout for a sell trade. And when these lines are below this red line, that means we're likely dealing with an oversold market, and I'd be on the lookout for a buy trade. So all I do is just look at the edge of this indicator, and I wait for a pattern to develop. And let me show you what I mean. Okay, right now this green and the green and red lines are pointing up into the overbought region, and as the market advances, I now see them both pointing down and crossing into the channel. And when I see this pattern, I know it's typically a good time to enter the market with a sell trade. So my lot size is set at 1, which means a point, which is the smallest movement of price, has a value of $1. I always use a stop loss to protect my trade, and in this case, if the market moves 200 points against me, my trade will automatically close for a loss of $200. But I also use a take profit, and it's set at 100 points, and that means when the market moves 100 points in my favor, my trade will automatically close for a $100 profit. So I'll go ahead and click sell, and this red line represents my stop loss, and this yellow line represents my entry price, and this green line is my take profit target. And remember, for sell or short trades, we want the market to go down. So let's see what happens, and sure enough, the market goes down and easily captures $100 in profit. And now I'm looking for a buy trade, and here it is. Both lines are pointed up and crossing into the channel, so I'll click buy, and the market moves up and I capture more profit. So I'm going to take a trade every time the pattern develops, which is crossing down into the channel for a sell and crossing up into the channel for a buy. And here's another sell and another buy. And I'll stop here with a sell trade because by now you should have a pretty good idea of how awesome this indicator is. I've reached a total profit of $700 from 7 consecutive trades. Okay, it's not a bad way to spend the morning.